Hello, friends. Back with another model to assemble today. Oh, yeah, it's a Enzo Ferrari. Beautiful cars. Really nice. First, again, we're looking at the diecast model of the assembly line. Show you the back real quick. Looks like will be a lot of fun. We'll see. I'll get it all unpacked. Post a few pictures as usual. And we'll do it one step at a time. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'm looking forward to doing this one. All right. All right, I got it unpacked and got all the pieces laid out just to see what we're dealing with. It all looks really good. Oh. All right. I'll take some pictures of the instructions that came with it, and then we'll get to work. Alrighty. Okay, we're getting a lot closer now. Just a few more steps. And this should be all together. Alright, let's see how it turns out. Well, alright. I got it done. So, we'll let it go through its first photo shoot. And then we'll see if I can find it a parking spot up on the shelf with my other cars. Be right back. Well, alright. Found a parking spot. It turned out pretty good. It's a pretty color red. Looks good next to a Lamborghini. Ford GT. Couple more Ferraris. Of course, you gotta have a pickup truck. And you gotta have a race car. Alright, I appreciate y'all watching. Give me a thumbs up if you will. Comments. And we'll see you on the next build. All right, appreciate y'all watching. Bye-bye.